What's up, y'all? It's your boy CT Game Over, and today I just got a new camera. I finally got a camera model that was made in 2023, and yes, I'm talking about the new Sony a6700. This camera right here is a crop sensor camera. The reason why I bought the camera is because the video quality. I'm upgrading from the Sony ZV-E10. So this is a big upgrade for me. Finally got some 4K 60. Of course, we know 4K 120. That was a problem for me because with my clients that I shoot with, Instagram has fully switched to accepting 4K. So I can notice the difference between when I'm shooting 4K and when I'm shooting 1080, especially in vertical mode, because there's some type of stretch going on. When I purchase cameras and lenses and things like that, I get excited about it, but it's not for me, it's for you guys. So it's to keep your content looking great. And I bought this camera for y'all, like this for y'all. This so when we shoot again, there's always an upgrade, there's always better quality, there's always a new lens, there's always a new something, there's always something to make you look better. For me, I think you're gonna book me regardless if I had it or not, but for you, it's always an improvement of quality from me. I treat it as customer service. If this is what the industry has now, that's what I need to get. If it makes sense, I don't just buy everything. Yeah, I think this is gonna make us some nice reels, some nice YouTube content. I mean, let's get into it, let's open it up. I wish I had my other camera so y'all could show y'all the difference, but they're pretty much the same in size. It's just this one got a few better features. We're gonna test this camera out after this. I'm gonna set it up on the tripod as well. So unboxing it, you know, it came in the standard Sony box. Of course, y'all seen it. And this is the camera right here. The Sony a6700. It do have the flip screen for the vlogging type, but yo, what's good? One day I want to get into vlogging. This is kind of like a vlog, but you can take pictures and videos with this camera. The pictures are fairly nice, but of course my photography camera is the one we're recording on. That's what I take my pictures with mostly, but this is also a great backup option for me as well. This camera only has one card slot, but it does take the microphone and everything just like that one. I'm feeling it, it's nice. It's kind of got a nice little grip. I ordered extra stuff for it, so you know it's gonna be in the cage. It ain't gonna be like this when I get it. It got a little viewfinder for photography. I'm probably one of the only photographers that don't use the viewfinder, even though they say it's better, it's way clearer. Came with the strap, the battery. I had to order some extra batteries because I'm already a photographer, and I'm already working and booked, so I definitely need more batteries, so I ordered more. These batteries was about $80 each. The charger literally just came to the door, so I got the charger just came out the package. Literally, I had to overnight this because I needed a fast charger for it. Charger was about $100. The battery was 70, so you see this is very expensive. But this is for you guys, you know what I mean? Hopefully y'all keep booking. I done spent some money. The charger comes like this, little cord. Well, so it didn't come with a charger at all. Good thing I ordered one. All right, so this is the charger that I had to order separately, of course. You could charge it via USB-C, but that's not what I'm into. So I ordered a separate charger. Charge it. And it's supposed to be the quick charger. 150 minutes, it's like over 2 hours. It's not that quick. I guess that's normal for me, but it's a big battery, so it dies a lot slower. So maybe, yeah, I appreciate y'all. You know, the last unboxing we did was the lens, and now today we did the camera, the Sony a6700. They stopped putting 4K on it. They used to put 4K, but this camera is actually sampled from 6K, so it's a lot clearer than a normal 4K. So that's another upgrade I invested in for you guys. Sony a6700. It's your boy CT Game Over. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at CT Game Over. Make sure y'all follow my new media company, Media Recap Pro, at MediaRecapPro.com. And it's your boy CT. I'm signing out.